Hi, my name is Julie and you find us tonight at Wildspace in Mullumbimby in the Northern Rivers of New South Wales, Australia. You're about to step into an experience that is called the gift gathering. And in the gift gathering there are 3 gifts that people will receive. The first is the gift of silence. We sit in silence for half an hour communally. And for a lot of people who are not accustomed to sitting in silence, it's a really lovely thing to come together and feel what silence resonates like inside yourself within a group of people. Magic really happens. Following the silence, we have a communal meal. So we go outside, we sing up the food. Yum, 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 yum. Let's start eating.
请享用食物。
And we share lovely food that people bring for the evening.
I love Wildspace. It's an amazing place to just connect with like-minded people and to learn from each other, to teach each other, and I feel like I'm here 4 or 5 times a week.
The environment can make people feel peace inside, especially for this community. It's a very good community and everyone is so honest and friendly to each other. So yeah, it's amazing. I think it's a very unique place in the world.
The third gift of the evening varies each week. Every second week it's like a muso night, and every second week is a share circle, like a heart circle, where people are free to share whatever it is that they would like to share. Some people listen, some people are keen to talk. It's a place to be heard. Wildspace was started so that people no longer had to feel that they were floating around like individuals isolated. The idea is that what we really need as human beings is a place to belong, with nobody excluded. The doors are open and anybody can walk in, get a plate of food, sit down, chat and start sharing. That's the idea.
I love coming to Wildspace together for meals and hugs. I often come here if I've been out in the bush for too long and I need my daily dose or my weekly dose of hugs.
A real change-making hub, starting with its base in trust and belonging. So thank you for coming to Wildspace.